Your next car could be the 2018 Fiat 500e. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Fiat 500e, the future-focused two-door all-electric plug-in hatchback with agile handling and retro Italian styling. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Be smart, be stylish, and be part of the solution. Go electric in the 500e.